Aluminum corner crimping machine. Place the corner connector into the profile cavity. Keep flat. Profile alignment set of corner cutter. The corner cutter are aligned with the middle of the corner connector. After the adjustment of the corner cutter is completed, the corner connector is adjusted. Turn on the positioning switch and raise it a little bit. Press the start button. After the machine completes the program of corner combining for once, it begins to adjust. Adjust here for forward positioning and move the positioning cutter forward. Put in the corner connector and look at the position of the corner connector and the corner cutter. The tip of the corner cutter presses down on this position of the corner connector. Leave a gap between the corner cutter and the corner connector. The size of the gap is equal to the thickness of the profile. Leave gaps of the same size on both sides. If the gaps on both sides are different in size, adjust the corner cutter by adjusting here. There are also gaps between the tip of the corner cutter and the inner wall of the corner connector. The inner and outer walls of the corner connector should be left with gaps of the same size. The size of the gap is equal to the thickness of the profile. The gap between the inner cavity of the profile and the corner connector should be less than 4 mm.